All right, so this video we're going to be going into cleaning the blower and the condensers on this 2000U Underbench air conditioner unit. To do that, you're obviously going to need to take the top off. You might be advised to pull it out of your space. There's going to be some water drainage things that I'm going to talk about. So ideally, you can kind of remove this and service it and put it back where it goes. So we'll start with the hot side here. The condenser side. And so you can see the way this works is air is getting sucked through this way. So we have air going that way. So when we clean it, we're gonna wanna send water through this way, and that's gonna push all that dirt out the outside here. So in order to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this fan out here, and I'm gonna pull this compressor control module out of the way as well, just out of the cavity there. And then you're gonna need some kind of low pressure hose or spray. Basically, you're just trying to get water to go through there. And if you won't be able to really tilt it while you do it, so that's why spraying is kind of nice. All that water is gonna go into this belly pan. There's no drain on the hot side for condensation. There's a drain over here. But in the back here, if you come around, there's a little hole there. So if you kind of hold everything, once you get it all up, you can just tilt and lean and dump all that water out of there. Once you get that all good, you're gonna put everything back where it goes. I'm just gonna put it back real quick just for demo purposes. All right, so we're gonna move on to the blower side, the cold side of the unit, the 2000U Underbench unit here. And to do that, it's gonna be much the same process. There's a few things you need to remove. So this fan right here comes up and out, and it's got some tighter wires in there depending on the model. So you can move those as you need, but I'm just gonna let you know that comes up and out. And then this right here as well comes up and out. And you can actually clean this the exact same way. If the air is going in here, then you wanna send water out there. You can use a little bit of mild soap if you want on that too. It's just a screen there, a little, seems like a mesh nylon screen. So for this one, same thing. Air's going in here. So we're gonna wanna take a light spray of water through there. Be very gentle. Don't use any abrasive brushes on either of these. Just nice smooth water. And if the water goes down in there, it's gonna drain out the condensation drain. Just be advised if there's any big puddles in there, you're gonna wanna get those out, but they should drain. Once you've got that sprayed down nice and clean, then you're gonna want to replace your fan in there, just real quick for demo purposes, and then get your intake screen all put back in place. So that's it. Hope that helps you. Good luck with it.